Hi and welcome to another review on mbrTech. Today we have Bluetooth game controller from Chinese brand iPega. This is my first experience with this brand, but reviews from other people for their products are promising. Model on the test is Wolverine, codenamed PG-9099. Let's start with the unboxing. We have a controller, USB cable, D-pad plate and manual. Nothing special in the box, but we don't need anything else. There is one D-pad plate installed already. It is great we have a choice between two different designs and feels, so we can use the one that will be the best for a specific game. Plates are easily changeable, really nice accessory from iPega. Build quality isn't bad, only L and R buttons are feeling cheap to me. Everything else is good, especially this rubber part for better grip. Overall it is average, maybe more than that. It really feels quality and heavy in the hands. The design is great and unique for me, I really like it. All the buttons we need for gaming are here, including customizable turbo button. For smartphone usage there is a phone stand and it supports devices up to 6.2 inches. Smartphone on the test is Xiaomi Note 4X with 5.5 display, so you can get an orientation. The best thing about this gamepad for me is built-in 400 mAh battery. It is charging via USB cable and the full charge should give you about 10 hours of gaming, which is great. While charging, 4 LED indicators will blink slowly, but if they blink rapidly, your battery needs a charge. Mostly Bluetooth gamepads use standard AA batteries, but this is a lot better option for me. Also, I need to mention dual motors for vibration for better feel and feedback. You can use this gamepad for almost all the platforms, there is only the limitation for some iOS devices. To connect gamepad with a computer by USB cable, you just need to plug it in and hold start key. Now you are in PS3 mode and LED number 2 should be on. If you want to switch to X input mode, just hold the home button for 3 seconds and LED number 3 should light up. To use this gamepad with Android devices, press and hold X and home button for 2 seconds at the same time, and all the LED indicators should blink. Bluetooth should be turned on now, so you can find this gamepad in your Bluetooth list and connect it with your device. After successful connecting, LED number 1 should be turned on. Also you can connect it with a computer via Bluetooth dongle. The process is the same as for Android. If you want to use iPega Wolverine as mouse and multimedia controller, just press the home button once after it's successfully connected. The LED number 2 should light up and you are ready to use it. Controls in this mode will be shown on the screen. After my test, I can tell that iPega made a good product. The biggest advantage of this gamepad for me is the built-in battery, which makes Bluetooth usage simple. The design is good, overall quality also. I could use it all the time without any problem. I didn't find any problem during my testing. I hope it will be durable as I expect. The feel and grip while usage is great. I wouldn't complain to use this gamepad for all my gaming. I bought it for $25 and I think it is really worth that money. Thanks for watching, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this gamepad. Don't forget to support mbrTech.